I'm not trying to be cocky. But ain't nobody out there in the Donk game. Nobody. You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me? Damn! You seen that? Oh, I ain't gonna lie, boy, that bit there movie, yeah. 7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and Caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. 7-1 all the way to 7-6. Impalas and Caprices and them bitches lit. Squatted on them sixes, how them bitches sit. Candy coated paint, I had to drop a lick. What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on, fam? What's going on, man? Another beautiful day above ground equals a beautiful day, like I always say, you hear me? What's going on, though, man? Fam, today has been a hectic day. You understand me? Well, this whole week has been a hectic week. You understand me? We 2 months away. I say 2 months. See, I'm tripping. It's been hectic. I'm tripping. We less than 2 weeks away from Donk Day, man. It's been hectic. It's been a long day today, man. Long day. Like, I kind of didn't even want to pick up the camera and do this video today. Like, right now, it is currently 6:34 p.m. I just picked up the camera to start filming what has been a long day, you understand me? July 13th, 6:34 p.m. I'm just picking up the camera. I could have picked up the camera earlier, but I've been running around all day. It's been so hot down here in Miami, Florida. You know what I'm saying? On top of the running around the errands, doing everything, trying to get Donk Day together, you feel me? It's crunch time right now, you feel me? No matter how much you prepare when you're doing an event, in my opinion, no matter how much you prepare when trying to do an event, I mean, when that last 2 weeks come, it get hectic, you feel me? Because you want to make sure everything goes smoothly, you feel me? When you know what I'm saying? Because this event is your baby. If the event is your baby, you understand me? Which for me, this is my baby. I love Donk Day, and I know the people that attend Donk Day, they love Donk Day, so I want to make sure that it goes smoothly, you understand me? So I'm planning, you know what I'm saying? Like Pac say, plot, plan, strategize, you feel me? So that's what I'm trying to do, trying to make it go smoothly, you know what I'm saying, for everybody out there that's coming, that's attending the event. And it get hectic, especially one of the reasons it was hectic today is because we finally put the new wheels on the Dillo, you understand me? We finally put the new wheels on the Dillo. Shout out to Forgiato, you understand me? Shout out to Coast to Coast, you feel me? We went to Coast to Coast, mounted the wheels for us on the Armadillo. I wanted to film that, but part of, like I say, around that time of the day, like I didn't have time to pick up the camera. I was supposed to film the process of them, you know, taking off the old wheels, putting on the new wheels, but it was hectic. I just couldn't do it. It was hectic. I was on the phone, making phone calls, you know, trying to get things situated for Donk Day. It was hot, you feel me? I was thinking about that heat, you feel me? So look at this, man. I ain't even got a haircut, man. I've been, you know what I mean? Your boy looking really rough right now. I ain't even get a haircut, you feel me? Cause it's been so hectic, like these past, like this, you know what I'm saying? Like these last couple of weeks. But you know, Donk Day around the corner though. What today is? I think today Wednesday. Yeah, today Wednesday, I believe. So, you know what I mean, Donk Day around the corner. Donk Day next Saturday. You understand me? So, I hope everybody from the DPF can make it. If you can't make it, I'ma definitely try my best to vlog, so you guys can get a little experience of it, get a little taste of it for those viewers out there that, you know what I'm saying, the DPF people out there that watch the channel. I'm gonna try to vlog it, like I said, because, you know, I consider the event to be my baby, so I want to make sure everything goes smoothly. So I'm gonna be out there at the event, making sure things go smoothly, you know, interacting with individuals or what have you. You know what I'm saying? And putting in work as well, you understand me? Because I want to make sure everything goes smoothly. So I'm going to try to vlog if I can. But if I don't, I mean, I'm going to definitely try to vlog something. Even if I don't get a lot, I gotta, you feel me? I gotta do something to give the viewers out there to see, the DPF out there to see that can't make it to the event. Cause I understand not everybody's gonna be able to make it, but if you can make it, it's the place to be. You feel me? July 23rd, Donk Day. But you feel me? I know y'all getting tired of me talking, but I'm just telling y'all about my day, about how hectic it was. You understand me? The Dillo right here, matter of fact. About to step outside and go check it out real quick. Y'all tell me what y'all think of these new wheels. I think they look great, you feel me? I know some of y'all out there might like the last wheels more than the new wheels, but it's all good, you feel me? We all got different preferences, you feel me? But I like the new wheels as well. I like the old wheels that was on there, but I like how the new wheels on there look as well. I got the new wheels on there, I got the new steering wheel on there, you feel me? I like the new wheels as well. Y'all go ahead on and drop them comments. Let me know what y'all think, you feel me, with the new wheels on there. I mean, let me know if y'all could just be honest, you feel me? If you like the old wheel more, I understand. You feel me? So y'all just be honest with me. Let me know. Once again, shout out to Forgiato. Shout out to Coast to Coast. You feel me? They mounted the wheels. Today just was hectic, man. But anyway, man, let's get out here. Let's check out these new wheels on the Dillo. All right, fam. I'm about to show y'all the Dillo. But I'm in the Dillo right now driving. Finna go to the finna slide to the gas station real quick. You understand me? But I'm gonna give y'all a glimpse of the steering wheel. You understand me? I know the steering wheel can't really show y'all much as to how the wheels look on the car, but here's the steering wheel right here. What y'all say, man? Y'all see the steering wheel, man? Big F in the middle, man. Forgiato. You understand me? What y'all say, man? I hate the fact that they put all these circular roundabouts in the streets because what's up with this dog over here, bruh? But yeah, I hate the fact that they put all these circular roundabouts in the streets because you gotta be careful on these sixes and being squatted. You gotta be careful when you driving these donks. When you squatted and you sitting on them sixes, you know what I'm saying? Roundabouts, curbs, and all that other stuff, you got to be careful because when you squatted, the front of the car, you know, the car is leaning, the back is dropping, the front is sitting a little higher, so it's kind of like you looking up. So you got to be real careful because you might miss something, you know what I'm saying? You might not see a curb, you feel me, or something to that nature, and turn around and hit that curb, man. And you don't want to do that. You don't want to bend the rims, you understand me? You don't want to bend the rims, man. But yeah, man, we about to pull up to this gas station, man. I'm gonna show y'all what the Dillo look like, man. All right, fam, y'all ready? Here we go. Here we go. Y'all ready? Close the door real quick. Here we go. Ooh, on the Dillo. What y'all say, fam? See, I went small cap on these wheels here. I love the big caps wheels, don't get me wrong. I love the Forgiato big caps. But like I said in my previous video, well, in one of my previous videos, the big caps to me look good with certain wheels, and certain wheels look better with the small caps. In my opinion, these wheels right here look good, look better small cap. But that's my opinion though. Some people might like these wheels better than big cap, but to me, you feel me, I think they look better than small cap. But y'all see it, man, Forgiatos, you know what I'm saying, stopping power back there, bell brakes. But y'all see it, Forgiato 26s. I forgot the which model Forgiato wheels these are. The name of the wheels, I forgot the exact name. But y'all see them though, man. What y'all say, man? Y'all drop them comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said before in one of the previous videos, people ask me why I don't go gold. Like today, I got asked that question today while I was at the wheel store. Why you don't go gold and all that other stuff? But it's like, you feel me? Like I don't want to do what everybody else is doing. I like brush. You know what I mean? I still like chrome, to be honest with you. I might go back chrome one of these days, you feel me? So y'all live around for that. But the gold thing, everybody is doing it. And I'm not knocking anybody else for doing gold, because gold does look good. But me personally, I feel like, I mean, I could change my mind in the future, but as of right now, if I was to go gold wheels, it would have to be gold Dayton's. But that's my opinion. You understand me? That's how I feel right now. You feel me? In the future, that could change. I might feel different about it, but right now, I don't want to do what everybody else is doing. I'm gonna stick to my brush for now. I might go back chrome eventually. You never know. You feel me? But as of right now, man, y'all see it, man. Hey, fam, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, though, man. I'm gonna be real with y'all. You feel me? I'm not trying to be cocky right now. I'm not trying to be cocky. But ain't nobody out there in the Donk game. Nobody in the Donk game got a meaner squat than an armadillo. You understand me? Look at that, man. Look how that thing sit. Nobody in the Donk game got a meaner squat than an armadillo. I'm sorry to say. And I don't mean to be cocky. I'm just being real. You feel me? I'm just being real. Nobody out there in the Donk game got a meaner squat than an armadillo. Nobody. You feel me? Nobody. Not nobody. You understand me? I'm just being real, not being cocky. Look how that thing sit on them sixes. Look how low that thing sit. Man, that's covering more than half of the wheel, boy. Damn, I might have to raise it up a little bit. It's sitting so low. You understand me? Me and squat out there, man. Me and the squat out. Look at that. I done brought the camera down, and you still can't see the center cap of the wheels. Me and the squat out there, man. Armadillo, man. We ready for Donk Day, though, man. We ready for Donk Day. It's a few other things that I would like to do before Donk Day. But if it don't happen, it's all good because it still can make Donk Day the way it is right now. You understand me? Like, I was supposed to put the, what they call it? The digital dash in there, the decoder dash in there. But unfortunately, that didn't happen the day I was supposed to put it in there because some of these shops be playing. You feel me? I don't be want to out no shops or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep it professional, but some of these shops be playing. They tell you to come. You feel me? But me personally, when a shop tell me to come, I like to confirm. Like, let's just say a shop tell me to come tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm going to call the shop first before I pull off. Because it's a possibility I could pull off and get there and the shop is not open. You understand what I'm saying? The shop person, the owner is not there. And you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to make that blank trip. So I'm the type of person I'm going to call first to confirm. That the morning of, I'm calling to confirm. And certain shops out there just be playing. Talk about something, they don't hear their phone ringing or they, man, I don't want to hear that, bro. You run a business, you feel me? You run a business, so, you know what I'm saying? You run a business, that's just what it is. So if I, you know what I'm saying? You tell me come tomorrow morning, I'm calling you to verify first. I'm not pulling off for no blank trip. It's a hassle to pull this car out. For me it is. It's a hassle to pull this car out, man. And I ain't finna make no blank trip for no reason. I ain't finna go through the hassle of pulling this car out just to make a blank trip. So, as far as the decoder, the dash that I was trying to put in there, I'm trying to see if I can get it put in before Donk Day. But I don't know if that's gonna happen for certain. But if it does, that'd be great. If it does, that'd be great. But y'all see my baby, man, sitting on them sixes, squatted Forgiatos. Shout out to Coast to Coast for the install. I went to Coast to Coast this morning. They put the wheels on. Coast to Coast got me right. You understand me? Look how that thing's sitting. Big lip in the back, staggered, you feel me? That's a 5-inch lip back there. That's a 5-inch lip back there. 5-inch lip. And I believe the front is a 2.5 inch. I think the front is 2.5 inch. Think about it, I need to get a car wash before Donk Day, but we will have car wash people out there. Not a problem. Car wash, he will be there. He does a great job. I might just wait and let him wash it because he does a great job. Certain car washes, you go leave all type of streaks in your car and water spots and I don't know, man. Oh, let me show y'all this. You know what I'm saying? The steering wheel, matching steering wheel. Yeah, I still got the plastic on there. Let me go ahead and unwrap it while I got y'all viewing, man. Unwrap the steering wheel. Fue, you hear me? Fue. No cap, you hear me? Y'all see what's going on, man. But yeah, fam, y'all go ahead and drop the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man.
26 is on the Dillo Forgiatos. We don't they ready, baby. We don't they ready. Yes, sir. I also got to get my transport schedule too. I still got to get that schedule so I can transport my car up there to Tampa. Anybody out there know a transporter, man, that could transport from Miami to Tampa? Hit me up. Send me an email, donkplanet305@gmail. You know my Instagram at donkplanet. Send me a DM. You understand me? But y'all see it, man. That candy on there, moo yacht. You hear me? Moo yacht. I ain't gonna lie, man. Sooty did that candy there, man. Yeah, for those who don't know, Sooty painted this. Fam, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, though. I got the meanest squad out there, boy. Can't nobody out there tell me different, boy. I ain't trying to be cocky. I'm just being honest. But fam, y'all see it though, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all go ahead on and drop them comments, man. We getting Don't They ready. It's a few more things we gotta do. I'll try to vlog if I can as the process of us getting ready and stuff. Know what I mean? But until next time, keep it locked right here. Donk Planet live behind the scenes. You hear me?